Welcome to the future of mobility. Today we're discussing an exponential change revolutionizing the automotive world, the difference between electric cars and gasoline cars. We'll explore safety, the increase in accidents, and discover which choice people believe is better and why. Finally, we'll delve into how motor racing is changing with the advent of electric cars. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Gasoline cars use internal combustion engines, which burn fuel to create energy. Electric cars, on the other hand, use electric motors powered by batteries. This fundamental difference leads to significant advantages for electric cars: higher energy efficiency, lower maintenance, and zero direct CO2 emissions. A gasoline engine converts only 20 to 30% of the fuel's energy into movement, while an electric motor can achieve up to 90% efficiency. But what about safety? Electric cars are often considered safer. Without a fuel tank, the risk of fire is reduced. Moreover, electric car manufacturers integrate advanced driver assistance technologies, such as automatic braking and lane keeping assist. However, the danger is not entirely eliminated. Accidents involving electric cars can be severe due to lithium batteries, which can catch fire if severely damaged. Studies show that overall accidents have not increased with the rise of electric cars, but the nature of the accidents is different. Brief interviews with ordinary people. Person 1. I prefer electric cars because they are more eco-friendly and have lower maintenance costs. Person 2. I'm still attached to gasoline cars. I love the engine sound and the range they offer. Opinions vary, but trends indicate growing interest in electric cars. A recent survey shows that 60% of people are considering buying an electric car in the next 5 years. The main reasons include environmental concerns, lower operational costs, and tax incentives. The world of motor racing is not immune to this revolution. Formula E, the competition for electric cars, is gaining popularity and offers breathtaking spectacles, with cars accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h in less than 3 seconds. Formula E races take place on urban circuits, bringing the races to the heart of cities and closer to the spectators. Driver. Electric cars are incredibly fast and quiet. It's a different challenge, but very exciting. On the other hand, Formula One continues to represent the pinnacle of technology for combustion cars, but is increasingly integrating hybrid and electric elements. In the future, we will likely see a convergence of these realities, with electric technology becoming more predominant. In conclusion, the difference between electric and gasoline cars is exponential, not only in terms of energy efficiency and environmental impact, but also concerning safety and the evolution of motor racing. Electric cars are changing the way we drive and compete. And you, which one would you choose for your future? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on the automotive world. See you next time.